Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi Law Specialist with us in the shop. And it came in for grinding issues. The grinder was not wanting to operate as it should. And so we went in there, looked around, troubleshooted the grinder, and realized that the grinder needed to be replaced. As you can see, we have the grinder right here, minus a few parts in a different basket, and just tried troubleshooting it and did not want to budge. And so what we ended up doing was replacing the whole unit with a completely brand new grinder, which includes a topper set also, so you do have a brand new grinding, brand new grinding feel. And also had to troubleshoot a lot of wiring when it comes to the motherboard and the grinder, making sure everything worked properly and all the sensors were correct, because we did have a few sensor issues as we replaced the grinder. But after that, they were all set. And as you can see, we don't have any bean error because there's beans in hopper, but if we were to take beans out of the hopper, it would show bean error. And so we're just going to test the grinder since we didn't do anything else to the machine. We have this on the third grind setting and grinding for a little bit of time. As you can hear, grinder is acting normal. And we're just going to tamp just to see the quality of both the tamp and the grind at number 3. And a little too much coffee, but as you can see, a very, very good grind. Yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.